How to engrave with Silhouette Curio 2. Step 1. Go to the machine, unlock the clips and remove the electrostatic bed. Step 2. Take the debris tray, slide it into the slot and lock the clips. Step 3. Grab the regular adhesive mat and place it on the debris tray following the guide. Step 4. Tape down the mat on all 4 sides using masking tape. Step 5. Next, grab a Power Engraver tool, insert it into carriage 2 and push the clip to lock it in place. Step 6. Go to Silhouette Studio and navigate to the Page Setup panel. Step 7. Click the machine drop-down and select Curio 2. Click the tray drop-down and select Debris Tray. Step 8. Set the cutting mat to Cameo and change the media size to 12 by 12. Step 9. Now go to Basic Shapes, select a rounded rectangle, then click and draw the shape to create a template. Step 10. Right-click the template you just created and click Convert to Path. Step 11. Unlock the aspect ratio and resize the template from the width and height input box in the Scale tool section. Step 12. Go to Basic Shapes again and select a circle. Step 13. Click and drag the circle on one corner of the template to create a key ring. Step 14. Once done, select both designs and click Make Compound Path. Step 15. Now click File and select Merge. Step 16. Search and select the design you want to use and load it into Media. Step 17. Zoom out, select the template and set it aside, then resize the design. Step 18. Zoom in, select the design, place it on the template and then resize it as required. Step 19. Once done, go to the Specialty Tools panel and select the Power Engraver tab. Step 20. Select the design and drag it away from the template, then select the pattern option you want to use. Step 21. Zoom in to check the pattern, then set the spacing and angle. Step 22. Once done, click Release Engraving Fill. Step 23. Now select the design again and place it on top of the template. Step 24. Select the entire design, right-click and select Group. Step 25. Right-click the design again and select Flip horizontally. Step 26. Zoom in and set the placement of the design on the media to align with the blank on the adhesive mat. Step 27. Now grab the blank, peel off the plastic coating from both sides and line it up on the mat carefully. Step 28. Ensure that the blank placement matches the placement of the design in the software, then tape it down. Step 29. Go back to Silhouette Studio and go to the Send panel. Step 30. In Carriage 1, select No Cut and click the arrow next to Carriage 2. Step 31. Click the Material drop-down and select Metal Sheets Etching. Step 32. Set the force to 15, speed to 0.7 and passes to 1. Step 33. Go to the Design panel, right-click the design and click Ungroup. Step 34. Select the template which you created and set it aside. Step 35. Now go to the Send panel again, select the design and click Power Engraver Action. Step 36. Click Send, check the settings in the Confirm and Send prompt and click Send. Step 37. Curio will measure the thickness of the material and start engraving. Step 38. The engraving process will take some time. Step 39. Once done, remove the tape, lift the blank and see how it turned out. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.